To create a new customer, I will first go to my list of existing customers. So here you can see my existing customers. Next, I can simply choose New in the action bar. The system will ask me which customer template I would like to use. So this is similar to the item templates we saw in the previous demonstration. So in this case, it's a business-to-business customer. So I will click on OK. And also here, the program will use the template to pre-fill a number of fields. So if I scroll down, you will see also here for the customer that these posting groups are now already entered, which means I don't need to enter them manually anymore. All right, so let's scroll up again. So let's have a look at some of the important fields. And because this is a trade course, I will focus on the trade related fields. But first of all, I will of course give my customer a name, Platan Training, for example. Next, you can enter quite a number of fields like the intercompany partner code. You can block customers, you can assign a salesperson, and so on. But like I just said, let's focus on the trade related fields. So I will scroll down to the shipping fast tab, and let me first click on show more to display all the fields on the shipping fast tab. So first of all, you can enter a ship to code. Now, a customer can have multiple ship-to addresses. If you click on Navigate in the action bar, if you then click on Customer, you can go to the ship-to addresses. Now, suppose that this customer has multiple warehouses, you can create a ship-to address for each warehouse because you potentially might have to ship items to any of the warehouses of this customer. So, and if you then have multiple ship-to addresses, you can enter here the default one. So when this is the ship-to address that Business Central then will automatically retrieve when creating a sales order for this customer, but which you can then also change on the sales order. Then there's the location code. So if we ship this customer always from the same location, I can enter the location code, for example, East. Next, you can enable the combine shipments feature. So this means that if I select this field, we can create an invoice for multiple shipments to this customer. So for example, at the end of the month, we will combine multiple shipments in one invoice. Then there's the reserve fields. So is it allowed to make item reservations for this customer? So I will leave this to optional, which means that we can make reservations, but we have to make them manually. Then is it allowed to make partial shipments to this customer or only complete shipments? And then there's the shipping time. Now the shipping time is also very interesting, and in one of the other learning paths on selling items, you can learn more on order promising, and in case of order promising, the shipping time is very important. So this is of course how much time do we need to ship to the customer. Now you can enter the shipping time manually, or you can also enter it by selecting an agent and an agent service. Suppose that we ship to this customer using DHL, so I can enter DHL, and then in the agent service, you can create multiple services for your shipping agent. And as you can see here, these services also have a shipping time. So for example, if I would select standard delivery, you will see now that the shipping time is entered automatically. There's also the base calendar code, and with the base calendar, we can make the difference between working and non-working days. So let me just select the existing one, and there we go. So these are the shipping fields, or the fields on the shipping fast tab, so the trade related fields that you can enter for a customer.